Hello friends, this is Samir. Today we are going to update learners who got stuck in the year 2022. In case you never promoted those learners, here is the chance to update them into the system to their current year. So we are going to go to our MS account, log into your MS account. So just type in MS in any browser, then click on MS login. After logging into MS account, after opening the MS page, make sure you enter the correct email and the password. Then you tap sign in. So in this case, we are going to look at how to update those learners, mostly primary, those who are supposed to be in middle class and then top class, but again, they are not worked upon in 2022. So here is a pop-up. When you log in immediately, you get a pop-up which says update learners stuck in 2022. So in this year, 2024, we're updating them because they were never promoted anywhere in 2023. So each year, you have to promote the learners. Every year, you have to promote learners. In case you forget, then you have to update them using a different option. So for this case, now we are using this option. In case you never promoted, you get this pop-up upon your login. Immediately you log in, you get this pop-up. So it will have the names, their names, their gender, the year, and 2024, reporting status, and then the delete option here. So here we have the name of the learner, that we need to update. So all these ones were not worked upon in the previous year. So we are going to work upon. So we have this learner. Now, how do you know that this learner was in P1 or P2? Now, at this time, it's supposed to be in P3 or P4. So here, this display, it has an option for going to the profile of that learner. In case you don't know the classes of the learners, you are free to click on this option, click on the learner, where you see this arrow here. It will take you to the learner profile. The learner profile will include all the details of the learner and their what? And their classes. So your issue should be class. Come to class and you choose P5. But in case you know the learner well, you can just go ahead and update. But in case you have you're doubting the learner, then you can click on this option, on this learner's name. It will take you to what? It will take you to the learner profile to know the learner that you are updating. So this learner is in P5. She was registered in 2022. So if she was in P5 by that time in 2020, that means in 2023 she was in P6, and this year she's in P7, 2024. So this one, so we can just say, and 2024 we say in what? In the P6, in P7. Then reporting status, we say is in school. There is school and left school. So if the learner is still in school, say still in school. In your school, if you left your school, say you left the school. So in this case, I'm going to choose still in school. Then I click what? Submit. So when I submit, that learner will be what? Will be updated. The learner will be updated. So you have to wait until updates what? The learner. Let's hold on. So you have to do it one at a go to get the best results. If you do multiple learners at a go, you might get some error while making updates. So I advise you to make a learner at a go. update a learner at a group. So that learner was updated. Let's update another learner. So you dive into the profile of that learner. You click on the name of the learner. It will take you to the profile of the learner. Know which class is the learner. So this learner is also in P5. So by that time in 2024 it was P5. So currently we need to put him in the correct year, correct class. So currently we need to put him in a correct class. So P5, P6, P7 now. In case he was promoted and is in P7. In case he's still in P5 or P6, we can still put the correct class. So he's still in school. Click submit. Okay, so you receive a message, success information updated. So we dive into another learner, this one. So the reason why you go to learner's profile, it's because you need to get the right details. You need to get the right class of that learner. So class P1, this one is P1. By that time P1, so it has been P3. This one is in school, and you say submit. So you have to do it learner per learner. But in case if you have stable network, then you can just do what? And if your system is fine, you can just select all of them at once and you submit. It's also okay. Let's see, catch that. I want the one who is in this. So this one, by that time, 2022, this learner was in P6. So by now, must have left the school because we're dealing with primary now. Primary P6, 2023, P7, 2024 should be year 1. So we just say not applicable. If none of these options apply to the learner who is there, then just say not applicable, because these are the only classes which are in the system and according to your school. So if the learner is in P6, was in P6 2020, that means 2023 was in P7, 2024 current year should be it's in year 1. So there is no class here. So we say not applicable. Then we say left what? The school in this case. We say left the school. Then we say submit. So you only deal with learners who are in your school. Right. So after doing necessary what? Changes on each of the learners, and then you do what? The system will just open and you go back to your what? To your normal upload. But if you don't update these learners who are starting 2022, you won't be able to do anything on that system until you update them. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and share. God bless you.